Hello, precious family. Welcome back to Glorious Ahombrasia Kitchen. Adishia Mami Mobi Biara Akwaba. Today we baking, we baking rag buns. Thank you for your support. And ne ye beye rag buns. You, Madam say, more support the channel. Yeah, sweet and delicious. Let's start. You, nti say ye fiase. Ye de yen mede me flour na gumu. 15 cups. Na mede me baking powder enso aka ho. You list ni na be what description box nim. Nti mpacho aya na wa check wo ho. You nti waka ni nyina afra kama. Bibia afra fine. Na fe Mary so I can't believe it's not butter. Nchene wom was salt wom. Nti no when so you so ana wahwe se ne awde nchene kan wo flour ne ho a enkoye salty. Yep, na wa kane nyina fra kama. Say me de me baking soda enso Erica ho. Then me add me sugar. Me de me secret aka ho. Say me nkosua ni me eggs any. Me de Carnation milk 1 cup afra. So we obi a wenum ya oda. Now the milk na afra. Na chese e de work a different level. Unza. And yes idea. Ut yusu insu water. Yeah, now they are mix it. And one to say near me and say me pese inframa FM na yen ema na ye fluffy. The more now yen say no ema inframa fem tinema we flour na ye fluffy. Okay. Inti say no me de me vanilla egum. And sometimes ubetumi use pineapple. Pineapple then no me say add some taste to be and the aroma na se make and then the smell no and yeah easy say so one say near and sometimes so betumi add 2 different flavors. Yes, that's recipe. This say no me wet ingredients and then I may add it to the dry ones no. Yeah, obey in kakra. You don't pour all your water or your wet ingredients at one time. Until no way in kakra so that ain't yet too soft. It depends how hard you want your rug buns. Yes. But me I am a pen medium hard. And penny too much hard. Yes. Nti we and the same kakra pressure ni bebre to say I will mix it bread brodo no there be we and gentle baka nti me pan any now my greasy me pan no with some butter and I'm eating so utiti according to what size I open no akesi and what eating akesi open no medium or na smaller sizes and so I find me the be a good cake cupcakes contain and a pan nim me water near kind yeah until I had me wa coconut me was sugar colors me ana me yeah mad sugar no e wa me channel no so yes how I be see I colored sugar so that's unkoto yes. Jesus saying me de me cranberry dried cranberry eshishem utumi use raisins utumi nti me ye be coconut me ye be white sugar yeah na me ye be colored sugar yes and dry nuts no you nti say ye wie She said, "Nia kono. A baby in Sissia, Mamma be dodo." Okay, me can na bring no come. And I may will be so also. May ye for Christmas. And no me use so sprinkles. Yeah, to me I check here no so out. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Bye.